Hey guys, this is a special edition video sponsored by our friends at Ohio Power Tool.
Every year we publish a holiday gift guide.
This year we're doing the 12 days of
Toolmas. Trying to make my bell go. Bing, bing, bing. Starting December 1st, we will publish one video each day for 12 days. I keep hearing this bell in my head. And we're going to highlight a different tool every day. It's all in my head.
These are the tools that would make a great gift for that guy or girl you're having trouble to buy for.
Maybe they're a DIYer or could be out in the field in the trades.
Either way, you'll be able to see all of these tools and the videos on the 2019 Toolbox Buzz Tool Holiday Gift Guide. You'll see it here on YouTube, but also on our website.
And if you like these tools, you'll be able to find a purchase link below or on our Toolbox Buzz website.
All right, so let's get started. So today we're looking at the Ryobi 6-piece.
It's Ryobi.
Ryobi. 6-piece.
Ryobi.
Okay.
So you were
Ryobi.
corrected on how we're supposed to say this.
So I should know how to say it. It's not Ryobi, it's Ryobi.
Ryobi.
And it's their P1819 6-piece combo kit. Scott, who's going to buy this 6-piece combo kit? What's it for?
It's basic homeowner DIY. DIY.
DIY.
Yeah.
DIY.
DIY.
Yeah, do it yourself.
Yeah, they're not like pro contractor brands, but they're certainly going to get the job done.
I will argue with you though. I know lots of contractors that buy these tools because they're cheap.
Yeah.
Yeah, lots of guys. Some guys just getting into the trade sometimes.
This is exactly where I started.
Really? You started like this?
My first tool set was a 6-piece Ryobi set.
No
Nice.
kidding.
Yep.
Really? You still have it?
No.
Yeah.
Yeah. I burnt them out real quick.
Yeah, they do burn. They don't last for pro use. They don't have the longevity.
No.
Rigid does, but Ryobi doesn't. So let's talk about first. What's the reciprocating saw over there? Let's grab that. Let's look at that guy first. So that is. There's a battery there. Let's take the blade out so nobody gets hurt today.
Yes, please, Michael.
So that's a variable speed reciprocating saw. It's got a 7/8 inch
And toolless change.
Ooh,
It's actually kinda
7/8 inch
nice.
stroke, toolless change. What else do you see on that thing, Mike? That's pretty much it, right? So it's got a couple features.
We got a blade, trigger lock.
Lockout.
3,100 strokes per minute on this bad boy. So it's it's got a decent stroke. It's not plumbers like 3/4 strokes on their
3,100 strokes a minute.
It's going to do okay.
Still gonna.
It's going to get the job
You're
done.
gonna get the job
I think
done.
so.
Yeah.
I think so. Is it heavy? Is it light? What is it like?
It's actually not bad.
Put the battery and see how it balances.
It's it loads up from the bottom.
It's actually decent.
Feels a bit like a toy to me.
Yeah.
Well,
like a Tommy gun.
yeah. But you know what? For a homeowner, I think this is a no-brainer. You're going to get some serious projects done.
Yep.
So the next thing I want to look at then is the impact driver. Let's get that bad boy out. Put this over here. I'll show some close-ups of these. So that's the. Here, you take that, Scotty. Tell me about the impact driver. That's
It's
got.
like an anchor.
It's heavy.
It's very heavy.
Yeah.
The light.
LED.
Shoot up from the
LED
bottom.
light shoots up from the bottom. I
Yeah.
prefer the lights right here.
A lot of tool
Going that
companies
way.
do that though.
I don't like it.
The theory behind it is it just kind of comes up at an angle so you're not getting that weird shadow.
Yeah.
Right? Something to think about.
It's a nice
Yeah.
overmold. It's got the textured overmold on it.
It does have the textured overmold. We have a little magnet here for spare bits.
Place
I
for
think
your,
it's also got one-piece loading, so you can just, it's spring-loaded, you
Pop
put the
right
bit
in.
right in,
Yep.
and you can eject it out, which is nice. Does it shoot out?
Oh, you got to pull the collar back.
Oh, I guess it is a one-piece loading. You sure?
I'm
Give it
positive.
a wiggle?
It's probably just
Nice.
like
Every time I pull the
So it's a collet loading,
You gotta
spring-loaded.
pull the collet
Does it eject out? No, so it's
It does not.
it's just a spring-loaded collet.
yes.
Yeah, okay.
it's basic. Forward
No
and
thrills or
reverse.
frills, but like I
it
said,
is.
it'll get your job done on the
Yeah, tie
weekend.
this to your leg and go walk in the water.
No, I'm good. Too cold this time of year.
Well, that's
So
look at that
nice,
shirt.
nice segue. Yeah,
that?
that's a great shirt, Mr. Rogers.
Mr. Rogers.
Excellent. Yeah. So I think
Well, I'm the
next
serious
thing,
professional one out of the three of us.
is that what it is?
That's what it is.
So here's our next
My
tool to
head's
look at.
still
And I
dinging.
can still hear my bells thing. What do we got going on there,
Variable
Scotty?
speed drill. It's got 1 and 2.
2 speeds, yeah.
2 speeds,
Yeah.
forward and reverse.
LED?
LED, same thing, shoots up from the bottom. It's got a place here for some bits or miscellaneous screws, if you small screws. Place to hold
Like a
your-
magnet?
Yeah, it's a small magnet.
Does it
Well,
work?
it shows a magnet symbol, so it's a
I
magnet.
can't read.
Oh.
Doesn't matter.
That's why it's pictured for you.
That's why he's an elf and not Santa.
Yeah, exactly. By the way, Rob, did you like the way I decorated?
I do, Scott.
All right.
It's great.
All right, that's my stocking.
When I said put a couple of stockings up, I thought maybe Scott would hang 3 stockings and maybe a hat or something. Scott went crazy.
You see the hat on the skull, though?
I did.
Yeah.
The skull.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very nice. I think that's a deer
I
skull.
really hope Santa comes this year.
It's not Rudolph.
I really
It's a
hope
deer
Santa-
skull, but it's not Rudolph.
I really hope he comes.
I'm glad it's not
Santa
Rudolph.
will come. We keep telling Scott still believes in Santa. And Santa will
There's
come.
there's no such thing
Santa will
as
come.
Santa will come. All right. What are we missing? We got the circular saw. Let's look at that next.
Oh, I got the light.
Oh, you want to talk about the light?
How's that look?
It's a little bright. I'm seeing spots.
Okay, so it's it is bright. 1 diode LED.
Yes.
It's got a handle.
Adjustable head. 360.
Oh, wow, look at that. All
Yeah.
right. So, okay. so
Working
you can
underneath the sink, you put that
flat,
down on the
yeah.
cabinet, shoot up.
It's 360, but one direction. Do you notice that? So it doesn't go 360 all the way around.
Oh,
there.
right,
Right.
Yeah. But that's pretty cool.
Go to the side if you need
Sits
it.
flat.
Sits
Just
flat.
flat, but we also, you got the lanyard, but
Yeah.
also, you got a little
Nail hook. Screw
nail
hook.
Nail
hook,
hook.
screw it.
Put it right on the wall.
No way. You think someone would ever actually do that?
I don't know if that would hold. It'd have to be.
Yeah. You think so?
I think so.
All right. Okay.
I think
Cool.
this is actually pretty cool.
Mike really likes the light. He'd buy the 6-piece combo set.
Just for the light.
Just for that light. Yeah. Scotty, let's look at the circular saw.
Okay,
What size
circular
is
saw, 5.5 inches. Again, basic.
I really like. I thought that was cool how they put the battery in on the side.
on the
I've never
side.
seen.
It adds balance to it.
I've been reviewing tools for like 7-8 years, and
got
I've
a
never
handle.
seen that.
I like this. The contrast of the black plate with the white writing.
Yep.
There's, a lot of the other manufacturers have silver plates with engraved writing, and
Yeah.
it's tougher to see. I think that adds some really good
How's the
contrast
weight?
to it. It's heavy, but
Pretty
I
well
think
balanced.
it's a big battery. No electric brake.
No electric brake, but it's got ambidextrous switching, which is
Yep.
good for the lefties. Onboard Allen wrench. Really cheap kind of blade
Shoe
adjustment with a
adjustment,
knob,
yeah.
cheap knob. But again, I mean, we're talking. We have to look up the price. I'll put the price at the bottom of the screen. But
Right.
we're talking super affordable.
Absolutely. Like you said, first
entry
time
level.
contractors,
Yeah.
entry level,
Yeah.
homeowners.
And, yeah.
It's going to cut a 2x4
At 90.
at a 90 degrees. It won't make it at an angle, but it's going to cut a 2x4. It's going to get the job done. It's exactly what you need
It's
for a
gonna.
homeowner.
You sure that will cut a 2x4?
I measured. I think it's an inch and 5/8.
So it's just going to cut
Just
a 2x4
gonna cut.
on 90. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Hey, again, I agree with you. If you're looking for, you got a DIYer at home, or maybe someone just getting into the trades and they need to just get going on a project, I think
Like I said,
short money.
this is how I
Yeah.
started. I bought my house in 2014, and I had like no tool, hand-me-downs from my grandfather. And I said, I got to buy a kit. I
I
went
thought
to
you
Home
were still
Depot.
in prison at 214. Oh, you
No,
got
no,
out.
I got
After
out.
You got
Yeah.
out. Yeah.
13.
That's
right.
On a
13.
technicality, by the way.
13.
Of course.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Good lawyer.
Oh, what's that?
This is the multi-tool. The OMT.
OMT. Put a battery on that, baby. Let's see how it looks.
Why do you always pick the heaviest
Yeah,
battery?
why would you go with the heavy battery? Go with the light battery.
All right, we'll go with the light.
Smallest battery to get
Young
the
guy.
job done. Yeah.
I
Rookie.
could have got yelled at home, guys. All right.
Bye.
Adjustable speed, like Rob said, the other knobs. It's kind of flimsy.
Yeah.
But it shuts it off. 0, can't use.
You're kidding me.
Okay.
No, so.
Why would
1,
you do that?
2, 3,
Safety?
4, 5, 6. It's got an LED light.
But why would you do that? Why would you want to shut it off?
I don't
Is
know.
it a safety? Is it a click off? on?
It clicks, yeah.
So it's like a switch.
But it only clicks off. Not back on.
Well, you have to pull the trigger. Yeah.
No.
Oh, hold the trigger down. Turn it off.
Off.
Click it back on. You have to recycle the trigger.
Recycle.
Yeah.
Yep.
Interesting. LED light.
Yep.
Yep.
It's got a push lock, so if you wanted to lock it on while you're using it.
Okay.
LED light. Only downside is it's got an Allen wrench.
So it's- yeah. Okay. So that's gonna slow
You
you
know
down.
the other downfall? No dust extraction.
Where's? Oh, stop it. Where is the wrench? Where? is there
It comes separately. It does not. There's
No
no
onboard storage.
Oh, bummer.
Actually,
So, well-
you know what, Michael? I think it does go there. We might have had it somewhere. But
Ah, yes.
It does.
It does.
It
does
came
do
separately, but
All right. So Ryobi does have onboard storage for the OMT.
I just want to note. I'm playing around here while you were talking with the drill. It's got the plastic chuck, so it's
Yeah.
not a metal chuck. It's not a premium tool. But I will say the grips on these tools.
they're not bad.
They're
not bad.
really good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So rubber
Really good
overmold,
texture.
really good texture, really
I think they
comfortable.
call it
Finger grip here.
hex texture. I think is the name of it.
Isn't that on the rigid?
I think it's both. Rigid and
Feel the
Ryobi.
grip on that. That is same thing with this.
The grip is nice.
No, it's like bing, bing,
Yeah, I
bing,
keep
bing,
hearing
bing.
rattling in my
And
head.
it, you know, the nice part is it does come with 2 of the compact batteries. So
Yes.
I really like that feature. I only use larger batteries when I fully have to. I
Even
run
a circular
everything.
saw.
Yeah, I run everything in a compact battery. Now we have all these tools.
We have a tool bag with it too. Look at this.
That's
Oh,
right.
that's right up your alley.
My cup in here.
Mike does not like bags.
My cup in
right,
here.
Mike?
No,
What do you like?
sustainers.
Oh yeah.
Mike's a
L
snob
box.
carpenter
Yeah.
or a premium carpenter. Mike, what do you have mostly of? What tools?
Festool.
Oh.
Festool.
He drinks the green Kool-Aid.
I like green Kool-Aid. It's delicious.
I know. And Canty.
Is that the
Chianti.
That's the charger.
That's
so
the charger.
is it's a stem pack battery and it just
Yep.
plugs
Yep.
in with a cord. Gotcha. It's fine. Pretty simple. Yep. Yeah. You know
And-
what? Great starter kit.
It is. And with
Absolutely.
the One Plus system, I mean, they have, I don't know the exact number.
I think it's the last time I checked.
Over
100
one-
tools?
Over 180.
over 180 tools.
Wow.
And
That's a lot of tools.
I mean, you get into the battery platform, you can just keep buying beer tools.
So beer tools?
Beer.
Yeah,
Oh.
beer.
Beer.
Wait a minute.
Beer. Beer.
It's
beer
beer o'clock.
It is
It
beer
is beer
o'clock.
o'clock.
beer
We're gonna
o'clock.
have to get some beer next.
Yeah.
So Ryobi
We go
figured it out,
Chianti.
right?
Switch it up a
Oh,
little bit.
Chianti.
We could do Chianti. I said Ryobi, you didn't catch it.
Oh no.
Ryobi.
Ryobi.
Guys, this is your 6-piece combo kit. Again, great gift for a DIYer, someone starting out in trades maybe that doesn't have a lot of coin to get the Festool premium tools that Mike has. But again, nice tool. I think it'd make a great gift. What do you guys think?
I think it'd make an excellent gift,
A
especially.
little bit too big to put in a stocking. Maybe wrap this.
This
one.
is a real deal gift.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're
Yeah.
gonna wrap this gift up.
Yeah.
It's not a stocking stuffer.
Right.
Can you get it already pre-wrapped?
Sure. So you want me to come to the house and wrap your holiday
Yes,
gifts
as
for
long
you?
as you wear that hat.
Actually, I don't buy any gifts anymore unless they wrap. I shop specifically at
there you go.
stores that wrap.
Oh, really? I just
absolutely.
thought you'd give everyone gift cards.
I don't
Well,
think,
hey.
no, that was just you.
I enjoyed it.
All right, guys. Well, this is it. What do we say, guys?
Hey.
Hey,
Happy
Merry
holidays.
Christmas.
And Merry Christmas.
Yes.
You can't say Merry Christmas.
You
Yes, we
can say
can.
Merry
Happy
Christmas.
holidays.
Happy holidays.
Yeah.
Yeah, we probably offended what?
Oh, sorry,
a few people.
Yeah.
You can wear it as a beard if you want.
Yeah.
It'd be a good beard.
I think so.
All right, guys. Take care. We'll see you at the next
See
video.
you later.